Here we have a 2017 BMW 420d XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got an M Performance kit on this vehicle, esteril blue metallic exterior paintwork, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, side skirts at the bottom just there, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. There's another look at one of those alloy wheels, shark fin antenna on top. We've then got the black spoiler, which really sets the back end off nicely. You've also got front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, dual exit exhaust tips on the left hand side there. Coming around to this corner you've got your last alloy wheel, and as you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now let's go on to that interior. We'll start at the rear. You'll notice we've got a full leather interior, 2 seats in the back there. We've got the blue stitching throughout, ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre, integrated speakers on either side. In the front here we've got that same full leather interior. Again, how great do these seats look. Now on the doors we've got a Harman Kardon sound system, electric wing mirrors with electric window controls, brushed metal handle. Now stepping inside you've got your auto lights on the right just there. Close the door up, foot on the brake, start button just behind, and we are away. Now as you can see we've got a multifunctional steering wheel, speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right just there. Coming into the middle, infotainment screen, and here you find features like satellite navigation. You've got different forms of media connectivity. If you scroll up you've got DAB, FM and AM radio, auxiliary, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB just there as well. Phone connectivity too to make calls or listen to your music. Put the vehicle into reverse, front and rear parking sensors with the visual display just there. We've then got different driving modes in here like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco, so you can pick and choose which one best suits your driving style at the time. Stereo controls with traffic alerts just below. Dual zone climate controls, we've got the heated seat controls here as well for both front passengers. Storage space, 2 good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity below here. We've then got our gear stick, so on here you can actually take manual control like so as well should you wish, or keep it in auto in drive mode as well. Traction control, mode selects, a button for your parking sensors. You've also got your shortcuts, control wheel and touchpad again for the infotainment screen. Soft touch leather armrest with additional storage just below there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.